Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at the new Fesco gas station in Ocho Rios. Now this gas station is off the Ocho Rios bypass. It's a Fesco gas station and the gas station itself is finished, but straight ahead you can see they're building a plaza that's still under construction. Now Fesco has been expanding a lot in Jamaica. The largest gas station in Jamaica is actually a Fesco gas station, and that is the one Fesco on Mandela Highway. This one is in Ocho Rios in the parish of St. Anne. So we're going to take a quick tour. Today is a rainy day, but we're still going to take a tour of the gas station so you can see what it looks like. Now Jamaica has about 330 gas stations in all. Although Fesco is not the largest gas station chain in Jamaica, it is one of the fastest growing. And that's because its model is the gas stations are dealer owned. So basically persons have more control over the management of the gas station. And Fesco stands for Future Energy Sources Company Limited. That's Fesco, Future Energy Sources Company. And one thing you'll notice about these Fesco gas stations is they not only sell gas, but they have food courts. Like the one on Mandela has a Tasty Patty store in it. They offer money transfers, pharmacies, other services. So they offer a lot more than just selling gas. Now this one just opened recently. As you can see, the mall or the store part is not yet finished. And Fesco is going into the cooking gas business. They should launch, they said 2024. So they're definitely expanding in Jamaica. Now the number one gas station chain in Jamaica is Total Energies. But Fesco is definitely up and coming, and they have some very nice stations, as you can see, like this one here in Ocho Rios. And I think they're the fastest growing chain in Jamaica because they've opened so many stations around the place recently, and many more to come. Alright guys, so thanks for taking a tour with us today. As we said, it's a rainy day, but gives you a good idea of what the gas station looks like. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour. Enjoy the rest of the video. We're going to show you some more of the gas station and then go back onto the Ocho Rios bypass. And this plaza should be finished before the end of the year. And this now is the part where they have the convenience store. And then these are the pumps. And as you can see, there is a lot of land space around the gas station. It's a very spacious gas station. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video. We're going out to there you can see it's a big gas station, not as big as the one on Mandela Highway, but it's still a big gas station. We're going to go out onto the Ocho Rios bypass when we finish with the gas station. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Have a good day.